Time now for the business day. Gas prices are to rise for the 10th straight week on Thursday. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $2.87 more. The price on these two petroleum products are at the highest they've been in almost a year. Automotive diesel will go up $1.24 and ultra-low sulfur diesel will increase by $3.02. $3.06 will be added to the price of kerosene. The cost of propane will increase $2.21 while butane will decline 25 cents. The Bank of Jamaica, BOJ, has held its policy rate unchanged at 0.5% per annum. In holding the rate, the central bank says the outlook continues to be characterized by uncertainties caused by the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. The BOJ says it intends to maintain this stance until there are clear signs that economic activity in Jamaica is returning to pre-COVID-19 levels. The next policy decision announcement date is March 29, 2021. Guardian Holdings Limited became the first company to list private placements on the newly launched private market portal today. Guardian went to the market seeking to raise $13 billion and successfully received the funding. However, only a portion of the funds were listed today. Andrew Laidley reports.
The new platform is aimed at providing dealers and their qualified clients with more diversified investment opportunities, and Guardian Holdings was the first out of the blocks. But as president of Guardian Life, Eric Hosin explains, not all the funds were listed.
The transaction was quite large and featured 5 tranches. Today, however, we have decided to list 2 tranches of the bond. GHL Tranche B, 6.5% unsecured note, due 2025, and the GHL Tranche D, 7% unsecured notes, due 2027. These 2 tranches alone account for 54% of the total raised and will result in the listing of bonds with a total nominal value of $7 billion.
Mr. Hosin did not disclose how the rest of the funds will be used. However, he noted that the company will be aggressively digitizing its operations in order to leverage regional opportunities. Meanwhile, Managing Director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange, Marlene Street Forrest, noted that the listings were record-breaking in more ways than one.
Usually, we launch markets, the main market, the junior market, the bond market, all those markets. And usually we launch our markets in anticipation of our first listing within a couple of months after launch. So we work on it and we said, it's going to come. But we are thankful and grateful that just over a month of launching this market, NCB Capital Markets Limited has brought our first 2 listings.
But she noted that it wouldn't have been possible without recent regulatory changes which incentivized companies to invest more.
It is not lost on us either that without the approach of a change in the fee structure that was required for this market, and that here comes the government, this market would not have been attractive to potential customers.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
The price of the U.S. dollar reached a new historic high in trading today, closing at a cost of $151.41. The Canadian dollar also closed higher at $120.60. The pound is going for $209.90, while the euro ended the day at $186.50. The JC Index lost 618 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 94 points. Among the winners were JMMB Group, 7.25%, Siboney Group, KLE Group, Radio Jamaica, and Consolidated Bakeries. On the losing side were G West Corporation, Grace Kennedy Group, Trans Jamaican Highway US dollar shares, SSL Venture Capital, and QWI Investments. And that's the Business Day. International stories when we return.